Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. Here's a sentence I never thought I'd say in my life. We're currently going to Nikko Circuit because I'm Chelsea de Nova's +1 at a track day. So yes, we are road tripping in the Z still. We actually stayed at a PA last night, and by last night I mean this morning, because we were up exploring Daikoku and Umihotaru. As if you haven't seen the last video, check it out, it was sick. But we ended up finding somewhere to stay, and by that I mean a PA, at about 2 AM, and it's now 6:30 and we are on the road because we've got a driver's briefing at 8 o'clock. Now, I don't know what to expect. Lewis has organised this for me, and he's organised it through Chelsea, and all I know is that Chelsea said driver's briefing 8 o'clock and that it's track day at Nikko. We're going to rock up and see if we can drive. If not, we'll watch, but hopefully we can do some driving, because Nikko Circuit is one of my bucket list tracks. I've been there plenty of times before, but I've never driven. Rocking up to Nikko now, all the tunnels, all the fun stuff. The road into Nikko absolutely is interesting. Oh, and we're at Nikko. That is a cool S13 straight off the bat. Wow. Now, I don't know what to say or who to see, because I can't speak Japanese and I don't know anything, but let's just say, what a view that is. We've been here for 2 seconds, we got out of the car, we parked up. The first car that we parked behind is this absolute immaculate S13. We're speaking with the owner now, but have a look at this bay. Wow. While we wait for Chelsea to rock up, we are going to go for a little walk through the lineup today. Chelsea's rocked up. We've got our driving ticket. Driving Nikko. Okay, the wheels have now been changed to the uglier ones. Nice street wheels are safe. We're all ready to go. Got to do a driver's briefing. Got our time. Our time is Group C, which is 9:24 to 9:36. So I just went in the beginning category. I've never driven Nikko. I haven't drifted in a couple of months. I'm not the best driver. I'm never going to claim that I am. So we're going to drive this track, which is still, I can't believe. So this is going to be awesome. We'll do our briefing, and then the next time you see me is in the car heading out to track. Okay, so the first outing didn't really go too well. ABS is on. Because this car just got passed for shacking, had to put another fuse back in to clear the codes. On a Z, we've got this 3-way fuse, right? You can't take it out, but it shares ABS, and ignition. So you need to keep ignition, but because it's a 3-way, you can cut one of them.
I don't know if I cut that one.
Alright, and we're leaving ignition, and now the car should start, hopefully, and it should drift. So I think now it'll throw a code, which is fine. Hasn't thrown a code. Anyway, it starts, that's the main thing. I should be able to drift. Last lap?
Yep.
Yeah!
Yeah, boy!
Well, we just went out then, and the car works. That was my first time driving in a while, and yeah, we fixed it. So I'm over the moon. That was the first time I've driven Nikko. That's the first time I've driven in a long time, and everything went well. So that is such a good feeling. Okay, we are back in the car, ready to go out for our second session. Let's go. This is amazing. I'm lost for words. I'm having an amazing time, but we've got to watch the time because we got to go pick up a special friend from the airport later. But enough about that, let's go driving. Alrighty, let's go. Wrong gear. So much fun!
I hope any of these are decent because I cannot see shit on the screen.
Sounds bruv.
I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me, but we're going to go watch some drifting now that our class is finished. There is some incredible cars here, so let's roll on to that. Okay, just finished up now. That was amazing. That's so much fun. I kept having a bit of dramas with my third to second shift. I kept going into fourth. I struggle in the CD boxes. Still, like, I feel confident with the line. Like, I always struggle with like clutch kick initiations, and I'm feeling a lot better than I have previously. So stoked with how the car is. It has a lot more caster in it now, and I think that's made a world of a difference. It just, you can throw the wheel, which I've never been able to do before. It was quite twitchy. So we're changing the wheels over now. We've got the white ones there, and we got to go pick my friend up from the airport. Now this is a successful day. Perfect wear, happy with the car. A few flat spots from my handbraking, but I'm happy with that wear. So we're finishing up at the day now, and I just want to say a quick thank you to both of these two guys, because Chelsea asked Alexi if I could drive, and that's how I could even get here, because I wanted to drive Nikko for a very long time now, and I've never really had anything line up.
He asked him, he told me,
That's right. Don't kill the messenger.
I tried to call him to ask if there was an extra spot open. Their phone wasn't connected because apparently a rat chewed through the line.
Yeah.
Japan things,
But
because
I DM'd him, he said, yeah, we showed up, and he walks up to me like all like, hi Alexi. I'm like, oh, are you that guy? And I had to look it up, yeah, that's him.
I didn't know what was going on.
So
I
we're
was
good.
I was
You got, how many, you got, are you going already?
Yeah, we're leaving now. Got to pick him up from the airport.
Yeah.
We got to pick him up, run him up to Ebisu, but
Oddly
yeah.
enough, I just bought a wagon and it got dropped at Jim's house.
Well,
The
I'll
day before he was leaving to come here.
there we go.
So it's a small world.
I'll pin him about that. But we're gonna hit the road before it gets too late and he gets mad because we miss his flight. But thank you, everyone.
Deal.
I appreciate it greatly. All right, goodbye, Nikko. Thank you for the amazing memories. That was incredible. Let's go. Okay, I hope I went the right way, but we are pulling in now, and let's see if our friend is here. I know he is. He just messaged me.
2 hours later.
All right, it is a bit later. I didn't touch my camera.
We've been driving. This is driving doesn't stop.
This is a surprise friend, by the way. I didn't touch my camera at all because I was trying not to get lost at the airport.
Too busy touching himself.
And I still got lost anyway, so it didn't matter. I should have touched the camera. No, we're on our way up to Ebisu now, and yeah, we're both very tired.
Did you film Nikko?
Yeah, Nikko. So it was a great day.
I'm jealous. I didn't get to drive Nikko yet.
Well, you know, you're still in Japan for
You gotta
a little
like,
bit.
you gotta get like, you know, like
like all the autocross guys and toge guys get the sticker of all the toges. So
Yeah.
you need like Ebisu and the Nikko. Did you get a Nikko sticker?
No, I didn't.
You
But
fucked
I
up.
know. It'll be a big collection. It'll be cool.
That would be
I think
cool.
Dustin did that actually. Like all of the
Yeah,
Toges that he
'cause
drove.
Dustin doesn't fuck around. And you fuck around.
I can't argue with it really. But we're both very tired. We still have a bit of driving to do. So that's where I'm going to end the video
But
there.
we had katsu curry.
We
though.
did have katsu curry, and so now I'm even more tired. I'm in a food coma. But yeah, I'm going to end the video there. Do you want to do the thing?
Is this how you end your videos too?
Oh, similar, but we can do
So
it your
don't
way.
like, don't subscribe, and don't stay tuned. Have a good night.
Sad because I wanted to know.